Mirage 2000-5, a legend returns to the battlefield. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most agile and battle-hardened fighter jets in the world, the Mirage 2000-5. This high-performance warbird, originally designed by France's Dassault Aviation, has proven its dominance in aerial combat time and time again, and now it's making headlines once more. With France announcing plans to deliver Mirage 2000-5 jets to Ukraine, this legendary aircraft is stepping back onto the global stage in a major way. But what makes it such a formidable force in modern warfare? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know. Its cutting-edge specifications, blistering speed, powerful weapons, and why it remains a key player in air combat today. Buckle up because this is one jet you don't want to miss. Performance and specifications. An upgraded variant of the Mirage 2000, the Mirage 2000-5 is designed for superior air combat and ground attack missions. Measuring 14.36 meters in length with a 9.13 meter wingspan, it has a maximum takeoff weight of 17,000 kilograms. Powered by a SNECMA M53 P2 afterburning turbofan engine, it produces 64.3 kilonewtons of dry thrust, increasing to 95.1 kilonewtons with afterburner, ensuring remarkable speed and agility. With a top speed of Mach 2.2, over 2,336 kilometers per hour, and the ability to reach altitudes of 59,000 feet, 18,000 meters, the Mirage 2005 excels in high-speed interception and deep strike missions. Its combat range extends to 1,550 kilometers, with up to 3 hours of endurance when using external fuel tanks, enabling long-range patrols and extended operations without refueling. Weapons and combat capabilities. The Mirage 2000-5 is a formidable fighter, armed with MICA infrared and radar-guided missiles for air-to-air combat. It also carries Scalp EG cruise missiles for precision ground attacks and two 30mm DIFA cannons for close-range engagements. Additionally, it can deploy laser-guided bombs, making it highly effective in both air superiority and ground strike roles. A proven fighter first introduced in the 1980s as part of France's next-generation fighter program, the Mirage 2000 quickly gained recognition for its lightweight design and high performance. The Mirage 2000-5 upgrade further enhanced its capabilities, making it a valuable asset for air forces worldwide, including India, Greece, and Qatar. Mirage 2000-5 in Ukraine. France's decision to supply these jets to Ukraine is a strategic move aimed at strengthening Ukraine's air defense. The Mirage 2005's speed, precision strike capability, and electronic warfare systems provide Ukraine with a significant combat advantage, potentially shifting the balance of air superiority in the region. Why the Mirage 2000 remains relevant despite the rise of stealth and fifth-generation fighters? The Mirage 2000 remains a potent force. Its delta-wing design ensures exceptional maneuverability, making it highly effective in dogfights and high-G turns. Its advanced fly-by-wire system, which revolutionized fighter jet control, remains a key feature of its agility and responsiveness. Power and versatility. Equipped with a SNECMA M53 P2 engine, the Mirage 2000 delivers 21,400 pounds of thrust, enabling speeds of Mach 2.22 and over 2,700 kilometers per hour. Its weapon systems include MBDA MICA and Matra Magic 2 missiles for aerial combat, laser-guided bombs like the GBU-12 Pavway 2, and even the ASMP nuclear cruise missile, reinforcing its role in strategic deterrence. Advanced radar and electronic warfare capabilities further enhance its effectiveness in modern combat scenarios. A legacy of combat success. The Mirage 2000 has an extensive combat history, proving its reliability in conflicts such as India's Kargil War in 1999 and the Balakut airstrikes in 2019. It has also played a crucial role in French military operations, including the 2011 intervention in Libya. Its combat-proven track record, cost-effectiveness, and adaptability ensure its continued service despite newer stealth aircraft entering the field. Finally, a fighter that endures the Mirage. 2000-5 remains a powerful and versatile aircraft, highly relevant in today's military landscape. With its advanced specifications, battle-tested capabilities, and now its deployment in Ukraine, it continues to shape modern air combat. Far from being outdated, this legendary fighter jet continues to prove its worth on the battlefield. What do you think about the Mirage 2000-5? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more military tech insights.